From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, some good looking weather out there today. Not a bad start, upper 60s, topped out at 91, but you can see that compares favorably with the normals of 71 and 91. No records being threatened. Overall, pretty dry month as well, and we could use more significant rain chances, but don't have those for a while, although odds of a scattered afternoon shower or thunderstorm should improve for the weekend, and we'll tell you why. First off, though, let's take a look at the upper level pattern, and we're kind of in between two systems. A ridge of high pressure off to our north and west that's providing a nice dry northerly flow aloft, and we have this upper level low out in the Gulf of Mexico. It's not doing a whole lot right now, but we'll be watching this system. And there's that low pressure system, the upper low part of it, that produced all the rough weather off the South Carolina coast that produced that rough conditions with that Carnival cruise. If you saw the video on that over the weekend, it was pretty wild. Now here we go, showers and storms across the front range of the Rockies into the high plains. Typical early summer pattern with some strong storms, gusty winds and hail there. Meanwhile, locally we did have a few showers across the area. You see there's not a whole lot going on in the Gulf of Mexico, and as we bring in 10 Doppler radars, we see most of the shower activity north and west of the Houston area, some thunderstorm activity by the Conroe area, and then we'll come into Louisiana and Acadiana, and I got a 12-hour loop here, and just to kind of show you how things developed during the course of the afternoon. It got pretty busy over southwest Louisiana, and again we'll go through once again, and we had isolated activity, mainly coastal parishes and southwest Louisiana. Some strong thunderstorms, and things have quieted down with the exception of some little shower activity as we get down here in southern Acadia Parish. Some sprinkles over by Esterwood down to Morse. Activity moving to the west, and that's all we have going right now. That shower will die of loneliness. Now, as we look into the tropics, too early to be really looking out in the Atlantic basin, so everything in the next month or two is generally going to be Caribbean based, associated with maybe some active upper level winds, but that's good. We want active upper level winds. We don't want sedate patterns, so that keeps thunderstorms disorganized. But we do have this upper low and a little bit of a surface reflection of inverted trough right here. And this is what the National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on. They're giving a low chance of development. And again, conditions marginal for any kind of development, but we've seen these things go before with this upper low spinning out here. Right now, it's more of a hybrid situation. But if you look at our latest graph model, it's kind of excited about this system and tries to build a closed low pressure system. I think this model might be overdoing it for sure, but you can see it's going to be meandering out here in the Gulf and then moving off to the east. So we're not going to get any effects, and if this were to get going a little bit, it's going to only pull in drier air into Louisiana. That system could impact Florida with some locally heavy rainfall, the peninsula, into this weekend. Quiet overnight tonight, then for tomorrow we do it all over again with spotty shower and thunder shower activity afternoon, early evening hours, then things quiet down, and as we head into Thursday, much the same, starting out near 70, topping out near 90 with rain chances probably closer to 10%. So overnight tonight, upper 60s to near 70. Tomorrow, upper 80s to lower 90s, and it's copy and paste weather, at least for the next couple of days. So 69 the low overnight tonight with the crickets going out there with fair to partly cloudy skies. And then for tomorrow, it's going to be another nice one, albeit on the warm side, 89 to 91 the projected high. A few isolated afternoon showers or thunder showers. Models going for about 15%, but we'll round it up to 20%, be a little bit more optimistic. Hey, there was a sprinkle here at the station when I left the station, so there was some moisture around. Not much going on for the start of hurricane season, meteorological summer as well. Friday should be dry and hot, and going into the weekend, early next week, it does look like the prospects of afternoon showers and storms should improve. A little bit more unstable upper part of the atmosphere should yield at least some scattered splash and dash storms, but the bottom line, we're just slowly easing into a summer pattern.
I walked out of the station and I was like, what does that smell? Just
fresh,
fresh
fresh
rain.
Good. Yeah, it smells good when it releases chemicals in the ground, and that's what you smell. It's really cool stuff. You know, it's natural chemicals, not
We hadn't smelled that in a while.
Thank you, Rob.